Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you guys know that I'm trying to lose weight. So I tried this amazing diet plan to lose around 10 to 8 kgs in 10 days. So this diet plan is very simple and it is very fulfilling. And for this diet plan we required very basic ingredients. And this diet plan is majorly revolves around the oats. So guys, without wasting any time, let's see the process. And early in the morning we need to have around 1 full glass of warm water, and for breakfast we are having soaked oats plus green tea or a cold coffee. And to prepare the soaked oats, I'm taking here 1 glass container and I'm adding around 4 to 5 tablespoons of instant oats, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and let's add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of curd. If possible, add low fat curd. So I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of honey and 5 to 6 chopped almonds, and this need to be prepared in the previous night. Next day morning you can add 1 apple or your favorite fruit and enjoy this. Along with the breakfast we need to have 1 cup of green tea or a cold coffee or a black coffee, you can say, but I would like to go for a cold coffee. Now I'm adding around 1/4 tablespoon of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm mixing it so that it doesn't have any lumps in it. So that's the reason I'm adding little amount of water first. So after we mix well, then let's add the required amount of chilled water and add some ice cubes, and it is ready to be served. The video might become so long, that is the reason I'm not explaining advantages of all the ingredients which I'm using. If you guys want to know, then you can comment below. I'll make another video of explaining all the advantages. So around 11 AM we need to have 1 cup of fat cutter drink along with 1 fruit, or if you don't have any fruit you can also go with 5 to 6 almonds. I personally don't like a green tea because it is so bitter, so that is the reason I am preferring this fat cutter drink, because it is helping me a lot in order to reduce the weight. So I am taking here around 2 cups of water and adding half inch of ginger and half inch of cinnamon stick and 5 to 6 pepper and half a tablespoon of green tea leaves. So if you have green tea bags, then you can go along with 1 bag. And for lunch we are having 2 oats roti plus 1 cup of raita plus 1 cup of curry. So to make powder for oats roti, so I'm taking here instant oats and I'm grinding it so that we will be getting the powder. So I'm taking here around 4 tablespoons of oats powder, and I'm adding a little salt for the taste, and we need to use hot water here. So add little amount of hot water and mix it well. So you can go with any kind of gravy which is made in your home, or make sure that you are using a little amount of oil in it. So now we can see the dough is ready and it is very soft and smooth, and for 4 to 5 tablespoons we will be getting 2 rotis. So we are using same oats powder to roll that. You can follow the same process as we do for the roti or chapati, and don't make it too thin. There are chances it can get break. This roti will take around 10 to 12 minutes. It cooks very slowly, so have patience and cook this. I personally feel like these are more tastier than the wheat rotis. So turn them on the both side and you will not find much color for this. So you guys can see our rotis are ready now, and let's make Keera Raita. So if you guys don't like cucumber, then you can go with a plain curd, but I personally like cucumber raita. So I'm taking little curd and I'm adding taste for the salt, and I'm adding little bit of jeera powder in this, and now I'm adding grated cucumber. So raita is also ready and our lunch is ready to be served. So I'm taking 2 oats roti and 1 gravy and raita. And around 5 o'clock we are having 1 fruit along with fat burn drink. It's important to finish our dinner before 7 PM. So for dinner we are having milk oats or else masala oats. You can find the recipe on my channel. I'm gonna link it. And this is how the diet plan ends. So if you guys feel hunger after 7 o'clock, you can go and have 1 cup of like 1 glass of buttermilk, or you can always drink more water. Do not give up on this diet. It really helps in reducing weight fast, and along with this 20 minutes of fast walk or exercise is necessary. So don't forget to follow this diet plan. So I hope you guys like my video. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and don't forget to share with a lot of people. I'm personally using this diet plan and I have seen the result, and I'm gonna post my results soon. So I would like to ask you guys, whoever is like willing to follow this diet plan, please make sure that you are posting your results on my comment section, so that it helps a lot of people ahead to follow the diet plan. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive the notification.